Excuse me, we would like to give you our boat. We have 2 of them. We do not need 2 of them.
Across the map. No.
Yeah, man. I don't know what they're. We just stole their fucking boat. We now have 2 boats. Excuse me, we want to give you a free boat. We do not need the second one. We have 2 of them. Just come over here. We give you a free boat.
Yo, drop the back sail. You
I
never
don't know why they
the
don't
back.
want a free boat. Boat is free. Excuse me. We would like to give you a boat for free. Please stop running away. We don't want to hurt you. I just want to give him a free boat, but they're running from me.
Well, that's
You know
what
what's
someone
the best
who
thing in this
wants
game?
to hurt someone.
What?
Hot micers.
Yes, I love hot micers.
They're so funny to insult.
Ah, the boat is on fire.
The rain will put it out.
There's
do you want
a
me
hole
to
in the boat.
get all the treasure chests and stuff?
Yeah, I got all this stuff
Yeah,
in that
good
little
news
like
now.
area that we were in.
Have fun too.
Oh yeah, do you want me to move them like
manning
onto the actual
Athena
boat?
quest.
Oh, yeah.
Fun 2 manning the Athena. We're on our own quest now, giving a sloop a free boat. Ahoy there, my friend! We would like
We
to
have
give
to
you a
watch the
boat,
chest of rage 'cause
100%
it'll,
free to you.
explode and
You
light
don't
our boat
even
on
have
fire.
to fill out any paperwork.
Oh,
It is 100% free.
come on.
I can see the lanterns. We're getting
Oh, you
close.
can get in the wind now.
Oh, they're stopped, I think. Oh, they're doing Athena's.
Wait, seriously?
Yes, they have Athena's emissary up. It's like level 3.
Christian, can you res me? I got
I bet they're so paranoid
Yeah.
right now.
Tell them we're doing Athena's too, and we should join them.
We do not want to interfere with your Athenas, okay? We are perfectly friendly. We're also doing Athenas.
We're perfectly friendly. Do you want this boat we stole from someone?
Yeah, we're perfectly friendly. Would you like this boat we stole from someone? They're too scared to respawn, so it's our boat now. They're running away! They're running away! Why are you running? Why are you running? We're here to help you.
Will not run.
What's a quick chat button again?
E.
E?
So if I
Alright, well-
shoot the chest of rage,
Oh, they're parked.
Oh crap! that was a
Excuse
bad
me, my
idea.
friends! We would like to give you free boat.
Let's park it right in front of their boat.
Okay.
I thought I was gonna catch on
No,
fire.
start
That's why I
playing
didn't
shanties.
do
Start
it.
no, they're running. Start playing shanties.
Oh wait, there's 4 captains we have to deal with. Christian.
Oh, 4 captains? Okay.
Well, that was rude. We're trying to give you this boat that we just stole from someone, and you're trying to kill us, man.
Ooh.
Watch the video.
Oh, hey, Noah.
Christian, watch that video.
What?
Watch the video.
You want a free brig? We stole it from some guys, and they're too scared to respawn.
Here, we're gonna take the road.
Yeah, it's very ungrateful. It's for free. You can have it.
What are you playing?
I'm playing
Sea of
Thieves.
Oh, I see.
This was for
Christian,
you,
get on the
man.
robot.
It was for
Get on the
you.
robot.
Yeah, hold on. Noah sent me. Oh, hold on. Hey, I'll.
Ah, sail up. It's time to try to give them their boat back.
Got it. What is this video?
Man, this is incredible. They don't even want a free boat. You would not want a free boat.
I dislike you, Noah.
Well, that's just racist. You
People
don't-
not gotten bored enough to respawn.
There's a sloop.
Alright,
coming
they
up.
haven't
Clean.
respawned.
There is.
There's a sloop
We
coming
stole
right
their
at the
boat,
galleon.
and they're so
Oh,
scared
yeah.
that they just haven't respawned.
That may be.
You
the
want this
Athena-
boat, man? Oh, hello. He's coming on the left.
What?
Hey, we're
Hello.
good on the sloop.
Raise the
Appreciate it.
anchor.
Oh, they scuttled their boat.
Right,
Oh,
right.
they left the game. Where's the guy who came?
Yeah,
to
looks like
Appreciate
they're
it, guys. Yeah, we're good
readying
on
up
the sloop,
to
though.
fight.
Yeah, we killed some guys, and they're too scared to respawn, so they
yeah,
just left the
okay.
game.
Are you guys getting off the server?
No, that's not our boat.
Shoot them?
No, they're not gonna be able to hit
That's
them.
not our boat.
Yeah, I see
Oh,
someone
alright,
walking
what are you
up
guys getting
or
into today?
swimming towards us.
We're doing some Athenas right now, yeah.
Okay, cool.
Oh, we left our
Yeah,
rowboat in the
alright,
water.
well, I guess we'll take the
raise
mermaid,
the
because
sail.
that boat's gone, so...
Huh?
Like half.
Yeah,
I'll
I
raise
didn't
just like
realize
half
See,
that.
see you guys
Yo,
later.
yo, what island are we
Audio,
near?
appreciate it.
What sector are we at?
I'm gonna grab a sniper and try
What?
and shoot him out of the
Go
water.
look at the map. Check what
We can't.
sector we're at.
There's a sloop like right at. There's a sloop that just pulled up on us.
Oh, there's a Reaper.
Apparently people
Galley.
who just
Oh,
got the game.
noobs.
We're
Noobs,
definitely
yeah.
the reason someone quit the, like, those guys in the break were definitely not about to leave the game. We just made them so angry that they left. They just gave up.
At least they weren't like in the middle of a quest or tons of loot.
Oh, one of them's over there in the water.
Why is he in the water? How is he in the water? Better
Rock.
question. Did he not spawn on the boat?
No, this is a two-man sloop, and he was hiding in the water.
Is he dead now?
I shot him once with a sniper.
Alright, let's take
Okay.
this boat. 4 men a sloop, everyone.
Yep.
Here,
You
let's,
should have one person stay back and watch
Oh,
it.
I finished him off.
Yeah. Who wants to stay back and watch the ship while we
Me.
while
Not
we
me.
3 men a sloop? Not it.
Not it.
Not it. Oh.
I think Jeffrey's the last one, wasn't he? Or was he?
No, I said I wasn't doing it first.
Okay.
Yeah, but that wasn't the not it.
Where is this
I
guy?
was saying separate.
Where is this Athena's guy?
No, I killed him.
No, the Athena's guys.
Oh.
I want to
I
give
don't
him
know.
another boat.
So we're by like Chicken Island or something. Something like that.
Find the island they're at.
We can't respawn.
Goodbye, boat. Bye. Oh, it's gonna hit an island. It's okay. We got a better boat.
Did we?
Yes. It's faster
We got a better-
into the wind. And there's
We
4
got
of
a-
us. There's
No, it's
4
not
of us on a
faster.
ship.
Oh yeah, it's
There's 4 of us on a ship designed for 1 person. So
One
yes,
to two
it's
people.
a better boat.
You know, we got a better boat because it's not ours.
Wait, did it miss the island? Yeah, you go, boat. I believe in you.
It's the same logic with like rental
Bye.
cars. The fastest cars are the ones that aren't yours.
Yeah, exactly. Where did they go? The sloop we're looking. Oh, there they are. Hey. Yeah, we heard you like sloops. You want this one?
Wait, is it this guy? Is it the Zero guy's boat?
No, we found it. We found it. Yeah, some dude just came and attacked us, and now it's ours. They gave up.
Oh man, you guys must be pretty scary.
Yeah, you want it? You want the boat?
No, we're good. Thanks though.
Okay.
Appreciate it.
Okay.
Are you guys streaming or something? How you
No,
deal with these
no.
situations?
They just showed up. We have the Reaper's mark, and apparently they thought they could kill us, but they can't.
Wait, if there's 4 of you, who's on your galleon?
No one. It's sailing off into the sunset.
We actually just sold. We're getting off really soon. Thank you though. I'll tell you what though, if you guys leave that Reaper's mark up before we get off, we'll come to you and you can take our flag
What
if
is
you
he
want.
saying? I can't hear
That
him.
sounds cool, man. Sounds cool. Yeah. If you're getting
Well,
off
we're
now,
not
we'll
done
just
yet, though.
take
We're
it on
gonna-
this one. Yeah.
We're gonna go pick
okay.
up our emissary quest and see where it is.
Sounds
Dude,
good. Sounds good.
Dude,
We're
our
trying to hit
boat
five,
is
yeah.
just
Appreciate it, though.
still sailing away.
We don't know where our boat is.
No, no.
It's right there. It's right there.
When we saw
Let me
it.
see. Yeah, it's fine. It's fine. It's just halfway across the map.
Alright,
It's
we'll
fine.
see you guys later. Hey, thanks again for the offer. It was
Yeah,
very
man.
Nice, man.
Who needs one boat when you can have two boats?
Alright, I'm gonna go back
He's
to our
gone.
boat. I'm gonna go back.
That was amazing.
It's gotta be the shoes, gotta be the furs. That's why ladies choose me. All up in the news, cause we so.
Mind if we borrow your boat?
Dude, it's all yours. I heard you had a habit of commandeering vessels.
Yeah, we love commandeering vessels. It's our favorite thing.
Do we really want him out though?
Yeah,